Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video I'm going to teach you about how to set up weeklyprofits.com so then you can start seeing the maximum results in your myEcon business. Okay, so chances are you went back to your sponsor like we told you to and you got weeklyprofits.com. Okay, so in order to log in, you just go to weeklyprofits.com, click on login, and just choose your login information here. Okay, and from here now you want to go straight to where it says build. Okay, first I'm going to give you like a little rundown of everything in your account, show you where to find everything. So when you first get weekly profits, this is what I want you to do. I want you to look at every tab and kind of get to know this platform. Okay, click on build, see everything that you can do right here. I'm going to teach you guys about it in this video, so don't worry if I'm moving too fast. Okay, something very important that you need to do is go through this affiliate dashboard and download your W9 and put in your email. Okay, this is what's going to enable you to get your affiliate link. That way, that way you can get paid for bringing other people into weeklyprofits.com. So, as you're now getting more myEcon sales because of weekly profits, they'll go through the training and they'll automatically come back to you to buy weeklyprofits.com, so that way you're making additional money without doing anything. I mean, you can post about this if you want to, but you would literally be making extra money without doing anything. So you'd be silly not to set up an affiliate account. Okay? In here where it says your name, you can hover your mouse over it, or if you're on mobile, you would click on it and it shows your account details, etc. So you can see everything, like your name, your number. I'm not going to click on payment details, but click on support center. This has FAQ questions, and also right here you can contact our support. And obviously you can log out here. So starting back from the very beginning, you go to weeklyprofits.com, watch this intro video, okay? And then from there, click on build. This is where you're going to create your website. Now you have two options. You could use the pre-made websites that we provide here under pre-made funnels, or you can make one from scratch. I suggest everybody start with the pre-made, and under this drop-down menu, just make sure that you click myEcon. My bad. Okay, this video will be teaching you how to set up your myEcon funnel. We highly suggest that you use both the capture page and the landing page. These are two different funnels, okay? And basically what all you're gonna have to do, what this video is gonna tell you to do, is to put your myEcon username in right here. Okay, so you would just you wouldn't put the whole link. You wouldn't put, mine is CJ Carter, right? So I wouldn't put cjcarter.myecon.net/join now, because that's technically your whole sign up link, right? You would just put your username, okay, and click update. So then next you want to select here, it says in-house email service, choose where you want form data from capture page to go to. So if you already have an email list, then you would want to put your email list on here. But if you don't, we have an in-house email service, free of charge, up to 1,000 contacts, where we email all your leads for you and help you close all your sales, because people are not going to sign up the first time they go to your website, and that's why we collect their email. That way we can email them later on and get them to sign up. Okay, so just an example here, you want to update these one by one. So update this one first and then update this one. But say you do have an email service that you want to integrate, okay? Instead of using ours, you'll go here where it says email integration, and you'll just click on whichever one is your email provider. So say you have Aweber, you would just click on Aweber and click on authorize here. It's gonna prompt you to log in. As you can see, this is actually the actual Aweber website communicating with ours. And what you would do is, just log in to your Aweber account and click allow access. Okay, so now I can choose which list that I have on here, because I have I have a few lists on my Aweber account, so I could actually choose which one. Okay, so in this scenario, I would select this list and click integrate. So for you, you're gonna learn a lot about this in email marketing, on the email marketing course, and it'll make more sense. So all you do is click to integrate. Now when you go back over here to pre-made funnels and you go to myEcon, you could literally select your Aweber and click update, and now your website is good to go. You'll go here and let's copy the capture page link, okay? And let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So this is the page that people will get whenever you basically want to send this link, okay? You want to send this link out when people ask you for information. It would look better if you mask it with like a domain, and we'll teach you about that throughout the training as well. But this is what you want to put your domain to, right? And then basically they're gonna see this page. They're gonna be like, okay, they're gonna click to see this page. It's gonna pop up with a box that asks them for their email. So they want the information, so they're gonna go through the steps. And don't worry about if people don't do this step and they don't want to go put in their email. That means that they're not serious, and you don't want people who are not serious. Okay, I'd rather build my email list and actually have people following the steps than just trying to appease them and then they don't end up signing up anyways. So people who opt in are more likely to sign up. So click access the system. This is exactly what they'll be doing. Okay. It will automatically route them to your myEcon sales page. Now this will include a video showing them how to get started, and this get started button will actually take them to, oh crap, clicked the wrong thing. Basically the get started button will take them to myEcon. So what will happen is, let me show you exactly what just happened here. Okay, they watch this video about myEcon and then they click get started, and this video will have a little bit more testimonials, and it will give them the steps on how to sign up, like how to fill out the sign up page. And then from there, that's when they'll click on the join myEcon button. And as you can see at the top here, I'm getting credit for the sale. Remember when I put in my username here at the top, CJ Carter? Well, as you can see, for the sponsor, it shows CJ Carter and CJ Carter. So, and then the person will already know what to do when they sign up. They'll click continue. They'll know how to fill out each step because the video showed them how. Making your life way easier. They're literally going to be told to message you back and tell you that they signed up and give you their username and all of that good stuff. Okay, guys, so that is just one way on how weekly profits will help you get more sales. Also, say you want to use your own funnel, you want to have a different look, you want to, change certain things, right? You could actually do the build my own funnel. So from here, you can choose a template. Now, when I say template, it doesn't mean the background image. The background image will stay the same unless you change it. But like just look at a preview of these templates, right? And you can see what both pages look like by clicking on each one. It'll show you like a preview picture. So as you can see, like this one has a countdown timer, for example, on the landing page. The landing page is basically the page that they're sent to after they put in their email. This one has like, a different kind of look to it. So I'm going to choose this one, for example, okay? So first things first, you're going to edit your capture page. So as you can see, it's coded with numbers and letters to show you what each step edits which part, okay? So your page alias is basically going to be, when you create weeklyprofits.com, you get your own website, right? It's basically your username, your weekly profits username, .weeklyprofits.com/alias. So you can make this say anything. You can make it say capture, you can make it say opt-in, you can make it say, pudding if you wanted it to. It could be anything, okay? So for this, I'm going to put it to say capture 1, or maybe I'm going to make it say CJ, okay? This page name, I'm going to call it capture page. Now for your headline, 1 says headline. So where it says 5-day here, you would literally have a headline. And these 3 right here, A, B, and C, are these 3 titles. So you could literally change all 3 of these. So I'm gonna say this one, I'm gonna put CJ Carter, entrepreneur. This is just what I'm gonna put. You can obviously make this say myEcon, you know, credit repair, income shifting, life-changing income if you wanted to, but I'm just gonna put entrepreneur, father, motivator. I don't know, I'm just trying to be quick for you guys. And you guys could even hide that section if you want to, just by clicking hide section 1 from page. But I'm gonna leave it there. For subheadline, see how it says 2? You'll just match it with 2. So where it says over 800 entrepreneurs, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna put my own subheadline. So since we're doing this for myEcon, I'm just gonna say, you know, learn how. Actually, let's capitalize that. Learn how thousands of individuals just like you are making an additional, what the, oh wow, I forgot it can only be so long. Thousands, and you'll find that this will probably be fixed. Like you'll be able to make it longer. Thousands of individuals are seeing additional income. Something like that. Basically something straight to the point about making money, you know, or learn how I am able to generate 1,000 plus weekly, you know. And then call to action number 3 is this dotted 3 here. In 5 days, I'll show you how to plan and build an automated blah blah blah. So for ours, we're gonna say enter your information below to access the information. Something like that. You know, basically telling them to enter their information. Now for number 4 is the button text here. So you want to change that to say, you know, something along the lines of count me in, or I want in. You know, something that like makes them want to click it, you know, or click here to proceed. It could even be something simple like that, you know, or click here. Okay, so I'm gonna put I want in. Now for this part, you could choose to put a testimonial. So say you have a testimonial from the Facebook group, you could put their picture here and then like real quick little snippet about, you know, I was able to generate, or be like basically you would kind of quote them, for example. So you choose their picture by clicking choose file, and then you put like quote, I was able to make an additional 500 per week thanks to this simple method. Let me lowercase that. You know, something like that. And you can also hide this section if you want. Okay? And under advanced settings, you could choose different things like your page color. So that's, you know, like this part, the button, the sign up button. You can make it like a different kind of theme. So I'll select red. Actually, let's select green. Okay, you could choose your autoresponder. Remember we were talking about this. So I'll select Aweber because I integrated my Aweber. Tracking code is like if you have a Facebook pixel, something that you'll learn about later on. If you already know about it, that's cool. But this way you could track like clicks and see which pages are doing the best. And also you could retarget those people who have clicked on your website or have done certain actions on your website. So learning about Facebook pixels is definitely something you guys want to check out. And destination URL is basically like, say you have a certain landing page that you like, or you want to route it to the myEcon landing page, but you wanted to have a custom capture page. You would just put your destination URL to be that page. But if you don't have a page for that, you would just leave it blank and click Save Changes. Okay, so now that you've saved those changes, you could actually view it here by clicking click here to get link. And after, you can start editing the landing page by clicking here. So first, let's click here and get the link. You can either copy it like this, or you could just click copy the link to clipboard. Okay. Paste it into our browser. Now you'll see CJ Carter, entrepreneur, father, motivator. Learn how I'm able to generate 1,000+ weekly. Enter your information below to get access to the information. So see, and it also changed the button, and you know, we have like a little testimonial here, and we can hide that too if we want to. So you would enter your name and email address, and it'll go to this page. It will go to this page that we're about to edit. So edit landing page. So it's going to take them to this page. Now on this page, you can change, you know, all kinds of different things. You know, first let's look at what this page has. It has a title. It has like a little subtitle, a video, which you can change. It has a background image that you can change. It has a get started button. You can change the text on that button, the color on that button. It has like another, like a headline for the countdown timer, and then there's a countdown timer, and you can change the amount of time on this page right here. So, you know, the countdown timer is good for, you know, setting a sense of urgency. You know, people, they see the timer going down, they're like, oh crap, you know, I need to take action, you know, before that timer runs out. But if you don't want to use it, you could just click hide timer from page. Simple as that, guys. Okay? So for this, you know, your page alias, remember, that's like what, notice here, it says, you know, cj71492.weeklyprofits.com/cj, because I set the alias to say CJ. So this one could say CJ landing. You don't want to put any spaces in there. No spaces. You can make it say CJ landing, or you could make it say whatever you want. But basically, this is like the page's title in the URL. The name of the page is how it's going to show listed right here. Notice how at the top of the browser it says capture page. So let's make this say landing page. And let's call this one CJ landing. Just because, you know, I'm not going to waste my time trying to think of a name real fast, because it's kind of irrelevant, honestly. Okay, your headline. You can make it say anything. So how I changed my life. I actually like that, so I'm gonna keep that. Oops. Here we go. Let's make that lowercase too. Your sub headline. Basically, you want to kind of give them a call to action right here. So you want to tell them like to watch the video. So this says, after watching the video, you'll be shocked that it is this easy to generate an income online. So you could either say that, or you could say, you know, watch the video below for all the information. I'm just gonna say that. So the cool part about this is you can now put an embed code of any video. You know, so say you found a video on YouTube that you like, or you know, you don't want to use the video that we provide in the pre-made funnels, or maybe you made your own video, which I highly recommend you guys do. Make your own videos, because adding your own branding to this is what's really going to set you apart. That's what the big dogs do to see the biggest results. They brand themselves, and that's what we're trying to teach you guys. So say you made your own YouTube video, go over here to YouTube. This is how you do it, because you have to use your embed code. You don't use the page link, you use the embed code. So for example, I'm just going to use Candace, for example, because Candace does a great job, right? I'm going to go over to her thing here, and I'm going to select this one, for example. Now I'm not telling you guys to go to Candace's website, It's not what I'm telling you to do. I'm just doing this for example purposes, okay? So, where do I find the embed code? I think it's in these 3 dots. No.
Brand recognition is just a custom logo design away.
Basically, oh yeah, share. You'll click share, and you see where it says embed. You'll click embed, and it'll give you the whole thing, the whole link. So you take that, okay? You copy it, and then come back over here to edit your landing page, and you'll just paste that code into the video embed code. And for here, you would change your background image. I like that background image, so I'm gonna leave it. Your button text, it says, right now it says get me started, so I'm gonna put that as well. Actually, I'm gonna put get started today. Actually, 1 second. My bad, I had to pause because I was gonna sneeze. But get started. I'm gonna put get started, and then your button URL. Now this is the tough part, okay? It's not really tough, but you know, you got to understand that you have to set this up right. So I'm going to show you how to get your, your sign up link. All right. Log in to myEcon. All right. So, you could literally just go to myEcon.net. Here, let me, go to myEcon.net. Oh, I put a T there, didn't I? myEcon.net, right? And then you're gonna log in by clicking login. Okay, and I'm gonna select my username. Log in. Now you're gonna click on where it says my account. Actually, no. You click on home. Sorry, click on home. And at the top it has like all these right here. You're basically gonna click on the one that says join now. And this is like your sign up link. So you want to put this button, this URL. So you'll copy this at the top here. Just click copy. And you're going to go ahead and put this on the button URL. Okay? Your countdown timer, headline, you can make it say anything. Like literally anything. So I'm just going to say take action while you can with exclamation point. And then I'm just gonna put, maybe like 3 days. Actually, let's put like 3 days. 3 days. We'll put a high amount of hours here. A random number of minutes, because it doesn't really matter. And then this, I'll put like some random seconds just to make it look like it's moving. And you can hide the timer if you want to. You could literally hide the timer. But anyways, you'll just click save changes, right? First. So first click save changes, right? And then click save to my pages. It's very important. So now what's going to happen is in order to get those pages, you don't have to go back here. You created your own template. So you wouldn't go back here to get your link. You would go to my pages and then it'll say template v.45, whatever. That's just what it's called. Maybe later we'll have a feature that allows you to name each template, but you'll click here to get page links, and now you have your own custom funnel. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and look at what this custom funnel looks like, okay? Get page links. And if you ever want to make changes to it, just click on this picture. And you'll start by, you can either make changes to your capture page, or you could just scroll down and click edit landing page and make changes there, okay? So let's go back to build, click my pages, let's get the links and see how this looks. So I'm just going to copy the capture page to the clipboard. Let's go ahead and go to the page. Now I'm going to enter my name and my email. And guys, I encourage you guys to test these out as well. See how you like it. Make sure everything's set up before you start sending it to people. But look how that looks. That looks nice and professional. It looks very clean. Click I want in. And it's custom, so your website looks completely different. So now this says how I changed my life, and it tells them to watch the video below for all the information. Notice that it put Candace's video on here just like I wanted it to, and it has get me started. And as you can see here, the countdown timer is working exactly to what I set it to. So let's go ahead and click get me started, or get started, sorry. As you can see, it takes you right to the checkout link. So I showed you guys how to find it. If you guys get confused on any steps, please rewind in this video. I know it's pretty long, but I'm just showing you guys exactly how to set everything up. Okay, guys, and also inside of the affiliate dashboard, when you set up your account, you'll be provided with an affiliate link to be able to send to people whenever they ask you for information on how to get weekly profits. But we teach you about that in the intro video. It's going to basically teach you like where to go for certain things. If you guys ever have any kind of functionality issues, billing issues, any kind of issues at all, please don't message me or Javier. We have a support team, so go to the support center and just click contact support. You can also look at the FAQs to see if any of your questions are already answered here. But if not, just go to contact support. You'll fill out a ticket and you'll get a reply within 24 to 48 hours. Usually it's quicker than that, but you know, just in case we have a lot of messages or something and our team's backed up, it could take that long, but usually it's shorter than that. But with that said, you guys, that's how you set up your weekly profits account. You know, you'll learn a lot in this system. We'll also be coming out with, like, you know, periodically we'll be coming out with more training and more updates provided in weeklyprofits.com, guys. So definitely, if you haven't got it yet and you watched this whole video, I don't know why you're waiting. You know, this is your one-stop shop to success with with that myEcon. Remember, as I said before, you can download your leads here on the leads page. You know, so with that said, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.